you can copy and you can paste here. Okay, this one we done. In the router 3 we can say here this is a F0 by 0, so this one is area 0. F0 by 1, this is area 0, but imagine this is area 1 here. So now what you will do in the configuration, you will put here area 1. So let's correct here, update here. What we can do, we can go here inside this router, and now we need to update that. So here I will go and I can say here, let me go in the configuration, I will write interface f1/0.50, no IP OSPF 1 area 0, I remove, and then IP OSPF 1 area 1. Okay, and then again I will go exit and interface f1/0.60, I will write IP OSPF 1 area 1. I done now. Now we need to check what we are getting. So you need to wait for some time. After that, here you can put also show IP interface brief. We write this command to check the interface status. But if you want to check the interface status in the OSPF, you can write show IP OSPF interface brief. And here you can see this two interface, or okay, this main interface we put in area 0, so maybe we will have conflict. So let me check. I will write here show run, and let's check here, maybe I configure something there. Okay, here we have this one, we need to remove this. Okay, because I divide this interface into sub interface f1/0, so here no need to assign any configuration. So what I will do, I will go here under this interface f1/0, I will write no, and then I will put that one here. So I will remove that interface and I will save the configuration. Then I will write show IP OSPF interface brief. You can see here what we are getting. Here, it is not removed or what? These two interface f0/0, f0/1 in area 0, and this main interface are also in area 0. So what I will do, let me check again. I think I removed that one. We remove, okay, but it is showing that one. Okay, we remove, but it is showing like that one. Let's see, I will save the configuration and let's go to any other router and check what route you are getting. Because if you are getting the route from different area, you will have here with the OIA like this. So still we are not getting the route. Show IP route. Here we are not getting the route. If I do the fast forward, and then again if I check here we are not getting the route. So main interface, let me go and check here. I do area 1 because area 1 is this side and this is area 0. So area 0 is a backbone area, so area 1 will work with the area 0. So why it is not working, what I can do here, I should get the route here 50 and 60. So 50-60 information I should get somewhere here. So let me check. (50-60) information. Here we are getting 60, right? (23.2) If I go here, (40-60) and 50, we have 50-60. 50 is not coming here, so something wrong, maybe we did not configure. If you see 60 dot network is coming, 60 means here you have 60. Why 50 is not coming? This one. We have both network here. Let's see. Bit 4 it is pinging. Now it will not ping because 50 network is not going there. So we need to check why 50 network is not going here. See, request time out. 50 root is removed. So 1 minute, what I will do here, I will go to the main interface f1/0 IP OSP of 1 area 1. I put this one, and now I will go here. I will check. Actually, we should not put that one. Okay, so 60 network is coming, 50 is not coming. So anyhow, let me remove from the main interface, because f1/0 we divide already. OSPF 1 area 1, I remove that. No. Okay, interface f1/0 no IP OSPF 1 area 1, I remove that one. Now let's see here, show run. What we have here, this one is okay, this one is okay. We have sub interface here 50. What we done here, something wrong. Let's see. IP OSPF 1 area 1, IP OSPF 1 area 1. So it look good. Why this route is not going? We need to figure out. We need to clear IP OSPF process. We need to fix this issue. Okay, 50 route is not going there, so we need to check. What I done here, I reset the OSPF, and here I will go, I will check here or here, anywhere I will check here. Yeah, 50 came here. Now see, I reset the OSPF, then it started working here. But I should get this 60 also from the OSPF. This is the old one, so I need to do the clear IP OSPF process. Let me do here also clear IP OSPF process. I will say yes. Okay, save the configuration. Let me reset the OSPF everywhere, so you will have this route. Clear IP OSPF process. Yes. So here also I will do clear IP OSPF process. Sorry. Yes. Okay, I reset everywhere. Now you will see this one, this interface we divide into two interface, all here also, but all are